Ladies and gentlemen, we take you to a Saturday night game at Ashland High School. The reason for this is that it snowed Friday night. The game was postponed till Saturday. The date on this game is Saturday, the 27th of October, 1962. The starting lineup for the visiting Red Tornadoes of Mount Carmel Joint High School: at left end, number 51, Ron Wasilewski. Left tackle, number 61, Dennis Pachkowski. Left guard, 82, Oscar Quiderovich. At center, 81, Wayne Rona. The right guard, number 73, Ken Shatroma. Right tackle, 62, Mike Chappell. Right end, number 52, Pete Shalonis. At quarterback, number 24, Tom Byer-Schmidt. Left halfback, 26, Joe Greco. Right halfback, 21, Bob Menapace. And the fullback, number 17, Ron Grossman. And the rest of the Red Tornado 1962 squad. The head coach of the Red Tornadoes, Joseph Jazz Dimnick. Assistant coaches George Rona, Charles Carlo, and Francis Menapace. Athletic director Glenn Menges, and the principal Vincent McHale. And now the offensive starters for, as they called it, the Ashland Area Joint High School Black Diamonds. At left end, number 24, Cheddar. Left tackle, 83, Toey. Left guard, 30, Sherman. Center, number 66, Artman. Right guard, 62, Wes Lisson. Right tackle, number 51, Zangari. Right end, number 80, Madara. The quarterback, 15, Edwards. Left halfback, 25, Lucas. Right halfback, 36, Dando. And the fullback, number 42, Kennedy. And the remainder of the Black Diamonds squad. Head coach, Charles Brayford. The coaching staff for Ashland's Black Diamonds: the head coach, Charles Brayford. Assistant coaches, William McGinley and Stan Hino. The athletic director, Clyde Needhammer. Principal, Lloyd Daub. Superintendent, R. Lacrone. And the band director, Roy Steele. The officials for tonight's game: the referee, Harry Hummel. Umpire, Stan Rakowski. Linesman, Al Zale. And the field judge, Joseph Pazelski.